Grace and Frankie, if you haven't watched it, is an adorable show with Lily Tomlin and Jane Fonda. In their second season, they were telling secrets from their childhoods, from their teenhood. And Lily Tomlin's secret, Frankie's secret, was she'd had sex with a monkey. And the question was, which one? And Jane Fonda guessed Micky. And that was the answer. And I said, you people did not research this program. The Lily Tomlin character would have had sex with Peter Tork. That's her boy. That's the hippie. Not Micky, right? Mickey's the name most people recognize. But I thought it was adorable just watching the show. Bam, a Monkees reference. You cannot get away from the fact that they're still culturally relevant. I totally forgot my Simpsons thing. So, of course, in the 50th year, my book came out, which made me very happy. And it's on our little new author thing right when you walk in, so you can rent a copy. Also, they released an album. In their 50th anniversary year, they got together with a bunch of modern songwriters, and they released an album that was in the top 10 because it was written by a whole bunch of famous people. Of course, that's me outside Warner Brothers because, you know, I had it and that was pretty cute.